several swaths of heavy snow will cover a large portion of South Jersey today. In turn, there is more confidence that we will see higher snow totals throughout the region. Several large bands of snow will move through the area today, bringing totals as high as 8 to 12 inches. There have been periods today when snowfall rates have exceeded 1 to 2 inches per hour. These snowfall rates could continue for several hours throughout the day. Right now it's about 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Factoring in the wind chill, it's roughly 19 degrees. If you look at the snow here, it's very light and powdery. It's not very packable. As you can see, it almost really just like dissolves in your hand. Let me give it a swift kick here. So yeah, that's the kind of snow we're looking at today. We already have about 4 inches, approaching 4 inches and a half. I really do expect to reach 6 inches today, possibly even 8 inches depending on the snow rate. I believe right now we're already at about an inch an hour. If we get a good band coming, we may even reach 2 inches an hour. There's very high snow rates we're talking about here, so I definitely believe we may reach 6 to 8 inches today. Like I said, we're already at 5 and we still have like 4 more hours to go. You can see the sidewalk. This is where the sidewalk would be right here. There's the road. People are already shoveling over here. Yeah, oh yeah. There's a little snowball right there. Look at that. Definitely don't have like those thick flakes that are falling. It's more like light snow, but it's coming down at a very quick rate. And as far as winds, I believe it's supposed to get up to maybe 40-mile-an-hour gusts, especially as the low pressure system actually passes off to our west here. So here's just facing the wind direction right now. When we're actually headed towards the wind direction, we're facing it. So the wind direction right now is the south. Might be a little 15-mile-an-hour gust right there. Nothing too crazy. But I'll continue to check the amount of snow we have. So I snow totals every hour or so. To get a good understanding of what the snow rates are per hour. First snowstorm of the season. I believe it's Winter Storm Frida. Some areas of South Jersey may get up to a foot of snow, although more likely anywhere from 8 to 10 inches, but it is still possible to get a foot. It's a big question right now. Will places like Cumberland County, Atlantic County, will they reach a foot of snow? We'll have to see how that unfolds. There'll be a pool right there. At least snowed over. Can't even tell with the grass and the sidewalk. You just barely see the separation here in height. across the street again. It's not too icy just yet. At the sidewalk right there, when you shoveled off the snow, it's not too icy nor slushy. So just a fresh coating of snow. I'm sure the roads are still icy though, looking quickly because it is below freezing, so definitely best to stay off the roads right now. That very powdery. I can give you one more snow check. Grab my ruler real quick and see how much we got. Ruler here. Last I checked, it was like 4.5 inches. Another check. See, now we're closer to 5. Just barely past 4.5. Almost at 5. Anyway, that's about it for this update, guys. Continue to keep you guys updated. Very low visibility here. Got like blowing snow. Winter Storm Frida finally moved out. It's actually had a pretty good sunset here. Now the sun is going down. I believe it's like 4:50, almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna do one last snow measurement here. See how much we got. Looks like we exactly got 5 inches. Exactly 5 inches here in Hamilton. I know some areas by the shore got much more. Some areas up to a foot of snow, like Galloway, closer to Atlantic City. Even Mullica Township They got more of the range of like 8 inches to closer to a foot. So a lot more snow there. We only got like 5 to 6 inches in this area. But further east down to the shore, and of course, really southeast. Most of those mans of snow moving through. Just the way the low pressure system was positioned. Most of the snow was placed on the southeastern quadrant, so a lot of snow there. Happy with what we got. 5 inches, not bad. 3 days into the new year, I believe we got another system coming up our way that may really affect us either really later this week